Well, students, topic of the video is mathematical induction or principal mathematical induction. This is our 9th lecture on this topic and sum number is 11. Prove that 4 to the power n plus 15n minus 1 is a multiple of 9. Let Pn be the given statement. Now P1 4 to the power 1 plus 15 into 1 minus 1 is equals to 4 plus 15 minus 1 equals to 18 equals to 9 into 2. So which is divisible or which is multiple of 9. Therefore P1 is true. Let Pk be true. Therefore 4 to the power k plus 15k minus 1 is a multiple of 9. If that one is multiple of 9, so that one should be 4k plus 15k minus 1 equal to 9 into k1, say, for some k1 belongs to n. So 4 to the power k equals to 9k1 minus 15k plus 1. Now for P of k plus 1. Now P of k plus 1, here n is replaced by k plus 1, 4 to the power k plus 1 plus 15 into k plus 1 minus 1. Now 4 to the power k plus 1 can be written as 4 to the power k into 4 plus 15k plus 15 minus 1. So 4 to the power k can be replaced by this one, 9k1 minus 15k plus 1 into 4. Plus 15k plus 14. So 9k1 into 4, 36k1 minus 60k plus 4 plus 15k plus 14. So 36k1 minus 45k plus 18 equal to 9 into 4k1 minus 5k plus 2. Now as k1 belongs to n, then 4k1 belongs to n, then 4k1 minus 5k belongs to n, that implies, or then 4k1 minus 5k plus 2 belongs to n also. So 9 into something equals to that one. So that one should be multiple of 9 because that one is natural number. So 4 to the power k plus 1 plus 15k plus 1 minus 1 is a multiple of 9. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true if Pk be true. Therefore, by principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true for all n belongs to n. This is for all symbol, or where n belongs to n. Therefore, 4 to the power n plus 15n minus 1 is a multiple of 9, where n belongs to n, or for all n belongs to n. Anyone can you write? You can write any one of them. So this is proved. In the next video on this topic, we discuss few more sums.